Everyone, welcome to my vlog. Now, happy blessed Sunday to all. Now we are here in Sakura Ratana Park Plaza. Yeah. So now we have having our lunch. Wow, the best. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that cheese, everyone. Oh my god. Wow, wow. Wow. Really look delicious. Yeah, that is salmon. Wow. Have a blessed Sunday. Wow. I hope you are enjoying your lunch also. We are here now in the Kampochi, Cambodia. Yeah. If you're looking for buffet, I can recommend here in Ratana Plaza Sakura Buffet. I enjoy eating lunch while listening to Cambodian music, Cambodian song.